Good morning, children. Do you know why the boy on the left hand side feeling tired and dull, but the boy on the right hand side is to be fresh and active? Because the boy on the left hand side at low energy, but the boy on the right hand side at high energy. Children, where do we get this energy? Yes, very good. Your answer is correct. The food that we eat every day give us energy to do various activities. For example, to run, to walk, to swim, and to study. Children, can you guess about today's class? Yes, very good. Today we are going to discuss about the topic energy. What is energy? In science, energy is defined as capacity to do work. The standard unit of energy is joule and it's symbolized by J. Now let's see the different forms of energy. The entire universe is made up of two things, matters and energy. There are so many different forms of energy around us, such as mechanical energy, wind energy, heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, chemical energy. I mean, the list is endless, but we will be discussing about some of these energy forms in detail in this session. First, mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can be classified into two types, kinetic energy and potential energy. So, the sum of the kinetic energy and the potential energy is called mechanical energy. Kinetic energy is also known as energy of motion and the potential energy is also known as stored energy of position. Now, let's see what is kinetic energy. The energy that is possessed due to its motion is called kinetic energy. Motion means moving of an object. Here, a moving car possesses mechanical energy due to its motion, or we can say it as kinetic energy. So, when you are running or walking, you will have kinetic energy because you are moving from one place to another place. If you are moving one place to another place, you will have kinetic energy. Next, what is potential energy? Potential energy means stored energy of position. Do you think about flying bird? Since it is flying, it has kinetic energy. But the bird is also at height, so it has potential energy as well. So, when any object lifted above the ground possesses potential energy. Next, let's see about wind energy. Look, the boy is flying a kite. How is the kite flying in the sky? By wind energy. Moving air is called wind. So, kites fly due to wind energy. What is wind energy? Energy possessed by the wind is known as wind energy. Uses of wind energy. Windmills use wind energy to generate electricity. Ships sail by the power of wind. Sports like windsurfing, sailing, kite surfing use wind energy. Next, let's see about heat energy. Everyone probably knows something about heat. We often use the word to describe something that feels hot when we touch it or to describe a hot thing. To fully understand what heat is. For that, first we have to understand something about energy. Energy has to do with the movement of the particle that makes up matter. If we were to look up close at the particles in cold water, vibrate slowly, whereas the particles in hot water vibrates quickly. On the right side, I have shown you the experiment of hot water and cold water. When we pour ink in hot water, the ink quickly mixed up with the water, whereas in cold water the ink reacts slowly. Let me tell you clearly, the particles vibrate quickly, it contains lots of energy, but if the particle vibrates slowly, it contains only less amount of energy. Children, if you are holding the piece of ice, after a few minutes, what will happen? The heat energy from your body is transferred to the ice. It causes the ice to melt. I tell you one more example. Why we are using the thermometer, children? To measure the temperature of our body, right? We are measuring the temperature by the movement of the particles. If the particles in your body moves faster, the temperature will be high. If the particles in your body move slowly, the temperature will be low. Thus, the definition of heat energy given as when the temperature of substance is raised, its atoms and molecules begin to vibrate and release a kind of energy. This energy is known as heat energy or thermal energy. Uses of heat energy. Heat energy obtained from petrol and diesel is used to run vehicles. We cook food with the help of heat. Heat energy renders the food materials soft and easy to digest. Have you understood, children? Okay, let's recall. What is energy? Energy is defined as capacity to do work. The standard unit of energy is joule. Different forms of energy: mechanical energy, wind energy, heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, and chemical energy. Mechanical energy can be classified into two: kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy is also known as energy of motion. Potential energy is also known as stored energy of position. Okay children, in today's class you learnt about what is energy, kinds of energy and uses of energy. Okay students, we will meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.